In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from GoDaddy to Cloudflare. By the end, you'll have your domain moving safely to Cloudflare while keeping your existing DNS settings intact. Before we begin, make sure the domain isn't within a recent 60-day transfer lock and that you can access the email on file with your current registrar, since that's where the authorization code will be sent. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account. Open your list of domains, choose the one you want to move, and head into its settings. Look for the domain lock and turn it off. Unlocking allows the transfer to proceed. It may take a minute to reflect. In the same settings area, request your transfer authorization code, sometimes called the EPP code. GoDaddy will send it to the registered contact email. Keep that message handy. You'll paste that code into Cloudflare shortly. Now switch over to your Cloudflare account and sign in. From the dashboard, click the Add button, then choose Connect a Domain. Type in your domain name and select the free plan unless you specifically need paid features. Cloudflare will automatically scan your existing DNS records from GoDaddy, review what it found carefully, make sure your key A and CNAME records are present and pointing to the correct IPs or host names, including any important subdomains for your site, email, or apps. When everything looks right, click Continue to Proceed. Next, open Cloudflare's domain registration section and go to Transfer Domains. Enter or select your domain, then confirm the domain selection. You'll be prompted to provide the authorization code you received from GoDaddy. Paste that code exactly as it appears in the email. After that, confirm or update the domain contact information so it matches your registrant details, then complete payment for the transfer. The fee typically includes a 1-year extension to your domain's expiration, depending on the TLD. Once submitted, Cloudflare begins the transfer in the background. Watch your email and Cloudflare dashboard for status updates. Some registrars send a confirmation message to speed things up. During this process, your DNS settings you reviewed earlier remain in place, helping avoid downtime. Transfers can complete quickly or take a few days, so don't worry if it isn't instant. That's it. Your domain is on its way to Cloudflare with your DNS records migrated and your registration moving over securely. If you run into issues, double check that the domain is unlocked, the EPP code is correct, and your contact email is up to date. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your transfer.